One major ingredients or one major thing animals live on is a protein source which comes with the soybean. And the thing is, we can either import it or try to grow protein sources in Germany, for example, or in Europe itself. But nowadays it's cheaper to import from South America because the production and the productivity of soybean in those climates is much higher than trying to produce protein crops over here in a different climate. So it's more efficient there. And this is the reason why we do quite some imports. But the better way would be to introduce back to, in former times it was done, but nowadays crops like beans, peas, or these kinds of protein crops are rarely grown in this country or in Europe. It's not only protein, what is one ingredient in animal feed. There are more nutrients as well. You would need starch. And the thing is that you should find an optimum feed composition which leads to welfare and of the animals, and which also leads to high yield meat production or whatever you do, or milk production. But it, on the other hand side, needs to be sustainable for the environment itself. And one thing which is often used right now are feed additives, which are added to the animal feed, these like methionine, for example, or amino acids, which are able to optimize the feed composition in that way that you end up with less manure or less ingredients in the manure, which might be harmful then, as I said, for the environment in terms of over-fertilizing eutrophication.
ThinkStep, combining data, software, and consultancy services for a more sustainable planet.